Good morning, everybody. We're out here on the Wanda Compass tires, the slicks, and just seeing how smooth they are. So I found a nice little smooth path. It is a shared walking path, and they do take it serious out here. So this will give us a nice little thing to see how quiet it is. Listen, these tires are dead silent. The only thing you can hear is if like you give it some motor, and it coasts. It's dead silent. See? Dead silent. Absolutely amazing. This tire has like absolutely no roll resistance. No hoppity hop, no bumpity bump. It's just a pure sound of joy from our motor in the back. So yeah, I mean, this is just like, it's like a whole different world. You're like, okay, what's going on? Something feels funny. Yeah, it's smooth. Except, you know, the road gets a little bit bumpy here, but we're just going to be cool through here because we got people's houses and they're my neighbors and I don't want to wake them up. Not wake them up, but disturb them, piss them off. Let's just go out here in the street. We can ride a little better. Alright, so let's talk about the tires. These are from Fat Tire House. Our guy Ibrahim over there said these are the tires you need, this is what you want. So we're out here trying to see if that's so. I love last second turn signals. Alright, so these are from Fat Tire House. They're Wanda Compasses, and I know Wanda makes a lot of different Compass tires, so I don't know what the sub name of this is. I don't know what the sub name of this is, so I mean, I'm rolling at 30 and it's just like stupid quiet. I don't know how much talking I'll be over here. My external mic's back of the house, but I'm not gonna go over there and get it. I'm just gonna keep going here. So the tires are stupid smooth. I mean, they're like riding on the road. It's no clunkety clunk or anything like that. You feel the road. You do feel like every little bump in the road and the imperfection, you do pick that up. But for the most part, man, for road riding, these things are sick, dude. Absolutely sick. So hopefully this guy sees my hand signal. Alright. So yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving these tires. They're great. I haven't really got to do my my pulls on them and everything, but my first impressions of these things, they're great. So I'm just going to let these tires kind of seat in and get out here and just see how they handle, see how it brakes. But so far, first impressions, these things are amazing. And wait till we get down towards the shop here. We'll give you a walk around in the video a little later. This bike is absolutely beautiful, set up in hunting mode. And by hunting mode, I mean hunting prey of other bikes. This thing is intimidating when you look at it, like it is right now. This thing is really sick. You guys gonna get a kick out of this when you see later on. But yeah, it's nice and smooth. It feels like I'm going like 20, except for the wind. You know, then you can look down and say, oh yeah, I'm doing 30 or so. It's just like super smooth. If you can find a smooth enough road, you know, you're good. These back roads get a little bit bumpy, but for the most part, it's really smooth. Now all we have to do here is hope this guy don't make a turn right here. Let's try to do this turn. Cool. Now I don't have to, now I can talk. So yeah, these are really, they're so smooth, man. I know I want to keep saying that, but like I said, this is first impression. This is right off the cuff, first impression of the tires. So what we have, like I said, is a Wanda Compass. And they have Black Cat tubes in them. So it's pretty heavy setup. I think in both tires without flat out, you're looking at, with tires and tubes on front and back, you're looking at a total of 13 pounds of tires and tube. So it's very substantial. Very similar to what the stock is. Probably within a pound or two. But it just feels like you're glued to it. It really does. It just, Ibrahim said like Velcro to the road, right? I can't disagree with that. I got a lot more traction than I do with the all-terrains. All-terrains slip and all that. Just cruising. It actually makes cruising seem like you're going. Like right now, I'm doing almost 30 miles an hour. This is what normally like 22 miles an hour feels like an all-terrain. So they're really smooth, and there's no rolling resistance at all. You let go of the throttle, this bike just rolls and coasts. There's no you know, it doesn't have the bumper strip of like an all-terrain. And all-terrains aren't bad for that, but it's not that pure, silky smooth like this bike has right now. I mean, the only vibrations I'm getting is just, you know, because the road's a little bit beat up because trucks go over this all the time. What I'm trying to do is a little bit more slower stuff so I can actually speak over this because I don't have my external mic. Yeah, but it's sweet. It's really sweet. I mean, it actually gives you a little bit of confidence to give it a little bit of throttle in the turn. So, yeah. It's not bad. I like them. With any tire, they'll have their certain amount of vibrations and break-in to get used to. You know, because they'll handle different than another tire. I might have to just do a complete voiceover because this wind is absolutely deafening. Alright, we're gonna go. Alright, here we go. So, yeah, it's all good. Get down here where I can talk some more and get out of the traffic. So, get out here a little bit. Put up my turn signal. I need some turn signals, Brian. Brother, I need some turn signals bad. Alright, now this street looks great and you'd want to hit it, but there's a couple dips in here that surprise the shit out of you. Once we get up around this corner, it flattens out a little bit. See, there's one right there. Even though I know it's coming, it still gets me. You think, oh yeah, just turn it loose. But you got huge trucks that beat this road every day. And also, we just set the tires, so today is not a top speed run day. But I'm just out here trying to feel how smooth the tires are, and I'm really enjoying it. Boy, this 30 feels like 20. I mean, it barely feels like I'm moving with these tires. I mean, you get so much feedback with an all-terrain. At 30 miles an hour, it actually feels like you're moving. This just feels like 20. It's surprising. It's shocking. It's like, this is absolutely nothing. There's going to be some guys that get themselves trouble with these tires. I mean, you will pick up the vibrations in the street, and you will pick up that kind of stuff, but you know, overall, if you got smooth road, these tires are just hooked. All right, let's see if they got any airplanes out today. We'll go spy some airplanes. Seat's a little bit low today. Beautiful day today. Not so god awful hot. It's been so hot the last few days there. Oh my god. I'm looking for the California winter. Or we got, where I live, we have 2 seasons. We have summer and not summer. So other than that, that's it. That's all we got. We don't get winter here. Ah, shit, it's all rained on. Fuck that. Let me go around the other way. We get some witness. It's just so quiet, dude. Until you get motor noise, like when you get off of it, absolute stealth, man. These tires just roll with such ease. They feel like a road bike tire. I mean, really a road bike. Oh man, you can totally stalk your prey with this thing. This is insane. Oh wait, I can't wait to get off this thing, give you guys a walk around. We're trying a few different surfaces, some parking lots, and turning in and turning out. And I'm telling you what, I just found my new favorite tire. I mean, for road riding, this is great. And this is just the initial ride. I haven't even gone back and tweaked yet. Let's see. We got no planes out today, and we got the shop air conditioning on because we got the things down here. Yep, nothing out. We don't even have trailers out. I don't think somebody's in for service right now. So yeah, pretty quiet out here. Probably got somebody out on a test flight. If I wait for a minute or two, they might come back and land and taxi up. Those A5s are amazing little airplanes. So if you have some extra money you don't want in your bank account, and you like to fly and land on lakes and land on roads and stuff, yeah, take a look. It's Icon Aircraft A5s. They're awesome. You can pick one up right there, service it, do the whole bit. So yeah, fun times. But anyway, back to our tires. Let's go out to the street a little bit. Set up a couple of little drive-bys, maybe. We'll see. Let's go down here and do a walk around. Should we do one in the sun or not? We should do this bad boy in the sun. Yeah, let's go down here and do it in the sun. Sucker smooth, man. Alright, let's get off this bad rat and give you some pictures, and we'll give some over here. We'll cut this other stuff in later. Let's take a look at this beast. Let's go about halfway here. Alright, y'all, wanted to see the best performing tire out there for these bikes? You're gonna see them right now. These are the Wanda Compass, and they're the road slicks. And these tires are amazing. Look at this tread pattern on these things. True motorcycle style tread pattern here. Awesome bike. So now you see the stealthy ass Predator. Tell me this bike right here ain't sick. That's absolutely sick. This thing's incredible. Way to go. It's pretty awesome, man. Pretty awesome bike. These tires right here are absolutely amazing. They stick to the ground like Velcro. They hold the line. They run almost dead silent. You let off the throttle, this bike is like dead silent. Complete stock mode. Plenty of power with one battery. I'm not seeing any need for having a double battery on yet. We're taking a look at the range too. So we're doing a mini range test and a little tire break-in test. And so far, this bike does not disappoint. This has got to be bike of the year. There's no doubt about it. The only thing close to bike of the year with this would be the Bonnell. But after riding the Bonnell and then riding this one, as far as just like an e-bike goes, or a power performance bike, this is it. If you want a light Sur-Ron, then yes, a Bonnell will beat this as a light Sur-Ron. But if you want an e-bike, they can get it done. This is what you got. This is the sexiest damn bike on the market, man. You can't tell me this bike ain't complete fire. You can't tell me otherwise. This thing is absolutely incredible. If you don't have one, you better buy one. Don't miss out on this one. Don't sleep on this. This is not the bike to sleep on. So many configurations. It's awesome stock, but if you want to go ripping it up on the road, call Fat Tire House and talk to our guy Ibrahim, and he'll tell you about these tires, and you'll leave there with a set. You'll get a set, and get yourself the blackjack tubes while you're at it. Those things are nice and heavy and tough. And this will put you at about 13 pounds without sealant in the tires. So 15 pounds if you go full sealant for the tire setup. So it's right on par with the stockers. So these are very thick tires. They have a very thick sidewall, probably a little bit thicker than the actual Innova tires that come stock on the bike. So that's saying something. The middle tread, not so much. The Innovas pick up a little bit of weight because they have those big lugs on them, but other than that, the thicknesses are pretty much the same all the way around. So definitely a thick tire, and definitely get the job done. I've just been putting this thing around today and just trying to hear, like, say, okay, can I hear road noise, can I coast? And this thing's dead silent. The only thing I keep hearing is just the motor. That's it. Like when I let off the motor, I'm coasting, I sneak up on everybody. They can't hear anything. This bike is so quiet. There's no road noise. Nothing at all. You feel completely attached to the road. And these, for me, these are the best road tires I've ever used on an e-bike, period. Hands down, not even close. So do I think you should pick up a set? Yes.